Marshall and Eastern. Eastern, the Icy Whites up 7-3. Giving it to Olsen. I think it's the freshman. Nifty little move. The running backs would combine for over 300 yards and 3 touchdowns. We got some sky cam footage at Marshall. Look at this. Out to Tauwefa. 7-3. Still same drive. Second and goal. Rawlings. Looking for Tauwefa. But fumbles the ball at the goal line. Hustle play picks it up. Always be Cruton. Does not want that on his conscience. He challenges it and wins it. Heads up play by the head coach. Very next play. There might be 3 others open, but he doesn't care. Tauwefa, one of his 3 touchdowns, and Joey Rawlings had 4. Eastern win big. Buffalo at Akron in the sim. Buffalo's coach stepped away on a bender, so Akron gets the win here. 46-27. Go through a few stats real quick. Johnny Brookhart, 344 and 2 touchdowns. Cam Dyer, 273 and a tutty. A lot of rushes, not a lot of yards. Akron defense stands stout against that heavy rushing offense from Buffalo. Council, touchdown, 58 yards. Tavares Fletcher, 10 for 135 and a tutty. Watkins had a nice game for the Bulls, but Akron takes this one. Louisville at Ohio, 7-7 in the first. We actually go to the second for a 49-yard field goal. Got it. We love special teams. 13-10 in the fourth. Not a lot of offense. Tim Carpenter struggled. 2 picks today. But a crucial 4th and 2 to Nixon Jr. to keep the chains moving. 13-10, second and goal, 2.5 to go. Looking to ice it. He can't pass today, but he can always run. Tim Carpenter added 50 yards to his rushing. 20-10 here. Louisville's last chance with Bryce Underwood under the helm. At the helm for Louisville. Well, what a name. What a transfer. But 4th and 8. Looking deep. Stopped. Ohio wins 20-10. Toledo on the sim at home versus App State gets the W 34-14. Braden Regale, 3 touchdowns, 300 yards. Ben Tolbert, he's fresh from the season, only getting about 20 carries total, so they gave him the ball a bunch. 21 for 88 and a touchdown. Receiving Matthew Auten gets his standard touchdown, 88 yards, as Toledo takes this one. Kent State at the Boneyard of NIU. No clips from this one, but 29-8 dominating from the Huskies. Eric Slayton did struggle, though. 1 touchdown, 3 picks. His overall says 85, but the coach has got to start asking. After a rough outing versus Ohio State, a rough outing against Kent State, do they bring in Deontay Babineau? Maybe the freshman Lamont Hickson? Questions are going to be asked in that locker room. One question that won't be asked is how good is Brevin Dahl, the senior from Adele, can you hear me? Iowa, 22 carries, 221 yards, 3 touchdowns. The bell cow, running him till he dies. Receiving Connor Kennedy gets the presidential electoral vote over Mitch Drew. Rough showing from the receivers and tight ends, but NIU gets it done.
So now it's 2nd and long. Looking to throw again. Intercepted. Oh, what a play. He managed a few yards on that return, but the bigger play was the fact that the court.
That play would empower the Broncos to dominate the Fighting Irish. 30-6, Western takes this one. Good day from Bryce Baker. 3 touchdowns, 260 through the air, and 85 on the ground. Ejibe Boy was kept in check with only 20 yards, 1.7 average per. That's rough from him. Looking to bounce back. But Forsett out of the backfield, 89 yards and a touchdown to lead the squad. It's a tough team to play, and the Broncos took care of them. They move. FCS green-yellow horses at Georgia State. First drive, 3rd and 5. The hovering defense from the Panthers gets the pick. Can he go all the way? No. He is stopped. Next play. Figures. Over to Mekhi Anderson. Be one of his 3 touchdowns for figures. 7-0 here in the ensuing drive. Takes the RPO. 13 has just been getting cooked on this channel. I'm so sorry, brother. I'm not the one taking the highlights. Oh my God, it gets disrespected at the end. Lord have mercy. 7-7. It's always a barn burner with these guys. The RPO looking to throw it. Gets off of him. Can he make? Oh no, he falls over. Doesn't get it. Georgia State is must-watch TV. 35-14. They get the sack. Holy crap. 2nd and 17. Very next play with 3 seconds left in the half. There's no way. There's no way he goes all the way with no time left. 13 to make up for it. The game-saving tackle. It's now 49-28. Back to pass. They got the backup in. Oh, put up the air and picked off. Oh, and then, AI over Ty Lue.